Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we are gonna talk about Terraform Import. Terraform Import, like the name goes, import something coming in. So let's consider this scenario where we are working in a team, okay? And we are trying to streamline all our infrastructure creation using Terraform. Okay, we've adopted Terraform as our infrastructure as code. And so we don't create any resource in the cloud without using Terraform. But a colleague worker or a team member uses the AWS Management Console to set up, let's say, an EC2 instance. Okay, let's say I create an EC2 instance. Let's call this my instance. Let's call it my EC2. Okay, I'll select, let's say, Ubuntu T2 micro. So key pair, let's use the same key pair. Everything is a default. And then you launch an instance in here. Okay, so I mistakenly created an instance without using Terraform, but because we are trying to streamline all our infrastructure creation using Terraform, we need to make sure that this instance here is reflected in our Terraform state file. Okay, that way we can also track changes made to that instance. Okay, and we can also add it to our repository of all the instances we've created so far using Terraform. Okay, that way we streamline every single resource, and that's why Terraform import is important. To import the EC2 instance, first you need to create a resource that you're trying to import into the Terraform. Okay, in our case it's AWS instance, and its name is my underscore EC2. Okay, so you're gonna create this resource inside of your Terraform root directory. Okay, now of course you need some information on the instance that you created inside of AWS that you're trying to import. Okay, so we will need AMI. Okay, you will need instance type. Let's say you need key name. All right, including others if you want to add more. So of course AMI, we are still going to use our variable file, so I'm going to call this var .ami2. okay, and then I'll go to the variables file and create a new variable AMI2, and that's going to be a default. The default value for this. So if you select this and scroll down, you should see the AMI somewhere here. Here it is. All right, so that's gonna be AMI2 as we specified there. Save this. Okay, that's var.ami2. The instance type T2 micro. Okay, same type as the first, so we can just use the same variable. All right, and the key name is still the same. We use the exact same thing. paste it. Okay, now for the tags, of course it's gonna be the name, and the name is goes in parentheses my underscore EC2. Now over here you can call it a different name. Let's use lowercase EC2, right? But normally the name that's reflected on AWS is the tag. Okay, so if you click on the instance and you go to tags, you see name my EC2. So that is what is reflected right here. All right. Now you can save it, and then back on your terminal, you can run Terraform import the resource type AWS underscore instance. Okay, make it a little bigger. AWS underscore instance dot. The name is my underscore EC2, and the instance ID right here. By the way, between the instance name and the ID there should be a space. Okay, so we can now import our resource. So import is preparing and it's starting. Initially it will refresh the state, check to be sure that it's not already been imported. Okay, and then it will try to import it. Now you can see the import is successful. Now it says the resources that were imported are shown above. These resources are now in your Terraform state. Okay, and henceforth be managed by Terraform. Okay, so now Terraform is actually managing this resource, this new resource that initially was not created using Terraform. Okay, all right. Now if you want to check the state file, it's a bit lengthy, but you can still check the state file to see if you're interested. Actually, you see that my EC2 is right there. So it's been officially imported inside of Terraform. Okay. All right. Now, what about if it's already been imported, but we are not too sure? Okay. Let's try to run the command again and see. Yep. So we've already done the import. So this resource already is managed by Terraform. So this import command is not going to work at this time for an existing object in our state file. Okay. All right. So if you want to destroy, you can go ahead and type Terraform destroy, and this will destroy any resource that is in our state file that we created or that we are managing currently with Terraform. Okay, including the one we just imported. So let's see. Okay, so Terraform destroy is done. Now if you go back to the AWS, refresh, voila, you see that the instance that we created without Terraform is now gone, it's destroyed. Okay, after importing its resource into our Terraform. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on topics like this and other DevOps tools. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.